Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment gossip, celebrity gossip. If you are someone nje who likes umgosi, izindaba zabantu, this is the channel for you. So guys, here Nina, you know, ne, one thing about Mpumelelo Mseleko, this guy is just like living his life. He is living his life, and it's in Nanje, we are there ezindabeni zakhe, but guy is just living his life. He is not paying attention to what we are saying. He is not paying attention to anybody else. Mpumelelo Mseleku has a new girlfriend, guys. He has a new girlfriend. He has a new cute girlfriend. You know one thing about him also, uyakwazi ukhetha. This guy can choose, and he definitely has a type, you know. So the new girlfriend also has the same body structure, almost, you know, the body that he is attracted to. Same body structure, but very cute girl, you know. Her name is Fortunate. Okay, now it's still alleged, ne? Mpumelelo Mseleko allegedly has a new girl because he has not confirmed it himself, Mos. Yabon. So, Kesana, how we found out about this, ne? There was a video on TikTok where Fortunate, the new girl, was celebrating her birthday. She was looking all glitz and glamour, you know, Mos. Yeah, people take videos. She was surprised in getting presents and stuff. And then in this video, we see Mpumelelo Mseleko like how manje ibhubesi Mzumbe. What is he doing in this video? You know, that's how Kesana it came about, ne? Okay, firstly it was suspicions, ne? And then abang, the two wives, I'm just gonna call them wives, guys. I know they're not married. The other one is a fiance. I don't know if it's a fiance or what. The other one is just lobolat, but I'm just gonna call them wives at this point. Now, the two wives, Tirelo and Amahle. So how they found out Bona. Tina, we were still suspecting Anisha as fans after seeing the video on TikTok. I'm not sure if Bona they saw the video or Ganjani. But then Gasana, these people were on a live nearby three. It's the two wives and Mpumelelo Mseleku. And then they were doing something like Pianagu live, you know. And then Mpumelelo keeps on getting gifts. Go live. Mpumelelo keeps on getting gifts, you know. And then the wives are like, hey, bro, what is happening? Like, why is Mpumelelo keep on getting gifts lana kule live? Who is this person gifting Mpumelelo? And then it came about kesana bathola kanjalo ukuthi the person gifting Mpumelelo is Fortunate. And then you know most us, the people who are always doing research, about detectives. On TikTok, the video that was seen where Mpumelelo was seen there with table as Mr. Party allegedly, it's Fortunate. And then the person that was also gifting him on that live is Fortunate. You know, 1 + 1 = 11. That's how Kesana they found out. Haibo, imagine your wives. It doesn't sound right when I call them wives, yes. But okay, it's fine. Imagine abantu bakho finding out live ukuthi wena you have a new girlfriend and you didn't tell them. Like, I feel like maybe call a meeting, Kesana, and then introduce her properly, you know, because really they know most what it's bound to happen. So I am guessing, Kesana, on the new season ezoqala, we will be seeing the new girl, we will be seeing the new face, you know. And then Sana, on other news also, still on Mpumelelo Mseleko, there's a picture that he posted. Now, he was with Amahle, like nje basemotweni. Amahle had a seat belt on, without makeup, you know, cute girls worldwide most. And then people were suspecting ukuthi no, conde offline. Why does Amahle look like she is with child? Do you know? People were just like, no, this girl is with child. And then yeah, someone asked Uguti Haibu, guys, how do you guys see it? Because Tina, we don't see it. Was just a half picture, shame. His selfie a half, it was Mpumelelo and Amahl. And then someone said, no, look at the face, look at the chubby cheeks. Like Lwana Mosi has always been like that. But as us guys, now it's still alleged. Eh? So people are saying on Twitter, "But no, this girl is allegedly pregnant. Something is cooking there in the oven. You will see. Don't say we didn't tell you. Don't say we didn't warn you." And then someone also was referring to, look at the distance between the cheekbone or hey, look at the distance between the chin and the breasts, you know. And then I'm going back, guys, to the picture. I'm like, I don't see anything, lad. Guys, I don't know. One thing I know, Ubuti, you can't hide something forever. You cannot hide it forever. If Velis corners is born, but if not, then it is what it is. And guys, here Nina, I have to say this. In my recent video I said ukuthi Amahle deleted all her pictures where she was getting lobola. Don't was it fake? Shem, I take my words back. It was not fake. Niyabona ukuthi they are still posting each other, they are still doing lives together. So ukuthi yimo beka wrong in this case. I do apologize, but I was just suspecting, just like other people. So sho ukuthi wrong ke yimo beka wrong this time around kwi-acrimony. But guys, we need to be on the lookout ke sana. Umpumelelo might be ne expecting something there. We don't know. And sana kuthiwa allegedly, the new girl, when she was having her birthday party, kuthiwa allegedly he was the one who was paying for everything in that party. I don't know. That's what people are saying on Facebook. Kuthiwa nje lalela, he was the one. Hey sana. Lapho there are allegations yokuthi he is not supporting umhlophekazi and unzulu. As in, kuningi sana, kuningi. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.